Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Depop account. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Depop application. Now over here, tap on this My Depop button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on this gear icon on the top right hand corner, then tap on the option of your profile. Now when you are inside your profile, you just have to scroll down a bit, and here you are going to see the last option of delete account. As soon as you tap on this particular option, you will be redirected on the help center, where you need to provide your email address and your username associated with your account. Then you just have to select the reason of deletion. Afterwards, you can just simply select the subject of your request and provide any of the descriptions. If you want to attach any of the files, you can also go ahead and do so. Basically, you need to fill out this particular deletion form, and when you fill out this form, simply tap on the option of submit. So as soon as you do this, Depop team is going to review your request and they are going to help you delete your account, or they will basically immediately delete your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.